course, we will look at what is C++. Well, C++ is an object-oriented computer programming language, which is a case-sensitive language. So, did you know that this language I will be educating you about is just an extension to the language of C language? So, if you have a basic knowledge about C language, well, that's an added advantage for you, meaning that this C++ is just a superset of C. Please note the difference. So what makes C++ programming language so unique is that this language supports object-oriented programming paradigms. Well, C only supports procedural programming language. Only C supports procedural programming. Now looking at the benefit of C++. I've been talking a lot about what is C++ lately, but what really good about this language? Well, one of the big benefit of this language is that it's feature by definition. That is, it is object oriented, which makes our code more reliable and usable in the future if we want to use it in other part of the codes. It is also a high portable language, and that became one of the programming language for multiple app development. The third point is that this language gives you, as a user, the complete control of the memory management. Also, the interesting part of this language is that you can create visual effects, games, and graphic user interface software applications. More like Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, but at an advanced level. So you probably be thinking, if this language can be used to develop games and applications, well, Bonis, tell me, is there an opportunity for getting a job by doing this subject? C++ programming language? Well, my answer is, well, yes. This very language is used in a majority of industries like app development companies, game development organization, and in virtual realities, and in the finance market. Well, yes, I meant finance. Well, that is, if you are into currency trading, you probably have heard the term expert advisor or even trading robot. Well, some call it that way. Therefore, there are so many benefits you can get in C++.